Hey guys, welcome to question FM271 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, the following graph with 6 vertices is a complete graph. And we're given a graph that looks much better than my hand-drawn one here. Edges are removed so that the minimum number of edges remain to keep the graph connected. The number of edges that are removed is what? So there's a couple of steps to answering this question. First of all, we want to know how many edges are connecting this complete graph. Secondly, we want to know the minimum number of edges to create a connected graph within these vertices. And then we've got to figure out how many we've got to take away from this one to achieve that one. So let's start with how many edges are in here. Now this is a bit of a mess and it's pretty easy to get lost if you try to count these by hand. So since this complete graph has 6 edges, just a nice easy calculation for you guys if you ever want to figure out in a complete graph how many edges there are all up. Because there are 6 edges here, I'm going to start at 5 and then I'm going to say 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. This works because in order to connect this vertex to every other vertex would take 5 edges. And then to connect the next vertex to every other vertex, well, it's already connected to this first one, so it's only going to take 4 edges, and then that continues with 3, and then 2, and then just the 1. So hence why that calculation works there. It's just a nice simple one for you guys. That's going to equal 15 all up. So our complete graph has 15 edges. Now the minimum number of edges it would take for us to connect 6 vertices is 5, and the easiest way to show that is just like this. 4, 5, that is now a connected graph. So in order to get from our complete to the minimum number of edges, it's going to be the difference between 15 and 5, which you guys may be able to do in your heads, but if not, grab a calculator. 15 minus 5 should equal 10, which is option C. So there you have it. If you have any questions for us guys, please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.